Good evening, Hayward Allen Toyota customers. My name is Jeff, and I represent the parts department at Hayward Allen Toyota. Take just a moment to talk to you about replacement battery terminals for your Toyota or Lexus. Now, a couple of points of interest with replacement battery terminals for your Toyota or Lexus car, truck, or SUV. First thing to note is that though these battery terminals look to be the same size on this battery, they're in fact different sizes. You will find that your positive terminal is different size than your negative, and therefore the positive and negative replacement terminals will also be different part numbers because they're different size. Next point of interest is when you're replacing corroded or damaged battery terminals in your Toyota, most of them are replaceable separate of the battery cable. There are some that are integrated, so you have to determine that. And when you're replacing battery terminals, the advantage to a factory Toyota part, I want to take a look at this. This is a positive battery terminal, replacement terminal for a Toyota. We use this in this particular part number in many different Toyota products. Very, very simple to change. You want to make sure when you're replacing these terminals on the top post battery that regardless of which terminal you're replacing, you want to disconnect the negative side first. In this particular case, this part number is a positive terminal, but we still want to disconnect the negative side first and then go to the positive side. On this terminal right here, you will find that there is a nut securing the battery cable to the terminal, most commonly a 10 millimeter size. This one is a 12. You'll also have a 10 millimeter nut that you loosen on in the terminal, and you just loosen this enough that you can wiggle it off and it comes right off the battery post. When you're tightening these back up, good and snug is a good rule. You don't want to over tighten this one or this one. You can easily damage the terminal in. And you see that this one is it's very lightweight. It fits very well. The quality of this part is better than any aftermarket replacement you'll find, almost any anyway. We sell these positive and negative replacement battery terminals here in the parts department at Hayward Allen Toyota, and please come see us. We value your business.